Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the purpose. State the one-line objective and audience so every design decision serves that goal. Next, set the canvas. Pick 16, 9 for modern screens or 4, 3 if required. Once done, import your brand assets, fonts, color hex values, logos, and key photos. Make sure files are high resolution. Then create a simple slide map. Title, 3-5 content slides, and a summary. Doing this upfront saves rework and keeps the deck focused. You now construct a system so every slide behaves predictably. Start in Slide Master. Build title, content, section headers, and a closing layout with placeholders. Once done, define a typographic scale, sizes for H1, H2, captions and body text, and lock line height and margins. Then apply color roles. Primary for calls to action, secondary for accents, neutral backgrounds, and accessible text colors. Make a reusable icon and photo treatment. This ensures speed and visual cohesion across the deck. You finish by auditing and exporting. Scan every slide for alignment, contrast, margins, and consistent spacing. Once clean, embed fonts and compress images to avoid file bloat. Export both PDF for sharing and PPTX for live edits. Test the deck on the actual projector or laptop to confirm colors and aspect ratio. If something breaks, missing fonts, odd spacing, revert to the master slide, correct the source element, and propagate updates. This single fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.